I remember saying this shoe is overrated. But now that I have this shoe in hand, these white cements, these are hot. Drop a comment down below if you think these are the hottest shoe of the year. Let's talk about the Jordan 3 Retro White Cement Reimagined. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Man, I can't believe your boy got the Jordan 3 White Cement right here on this table. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I didn't think I was gonna hit on it. Man, and the crazy thing about it, I made a video saying that they overrated, but seeing this shoe right here on the table, I take that statement back. These are hot. These are hot. Look at the box, man. Look like an old, rusty box. They did a good job, man. They did a good job with this box. What y'all think? Before we get started, let me tell you, I was at work out of town, and I put a raffle in at Hibbett where I was at out of town, and your boy hit on it. So I had to catch an Uber from the hotel to Hibbett in the hood to go get these. Uber for the first time, and now we're here. Oh, and your boy sipping on some Pinnacle vodka, some Pinnacle. Cheers, cheers. Your boy sipping as usual. Oh, and this came in the box too. See that? So, Jordan played in these. And people been going crazy about this release. And a lot of people upset that they didn't get it. And a lot of people upset because of the quality control issue on these shoes. Some people complaining that the elephant print on one shoe is darker than the other. And I don't know, man. I think they got mine. I think they got this one right. I think they got this one right, man, because I don't see nothing wrong as far as the stitching. I don't see no glue stains or nothing. And usually I get a dinged up box, but nah, they got this right, man. So you got your off-white down here. You got your off-white. You got your white leather. You got your elephant print right there in the front and in the back in the heel area. You got your black Nike Air in the back. You got your tag right here, your Nike Air tag. If you look at the tongue, you got your red Jumpman on the tongue. White shoestrings. They didn't come with no extra shoestrings. And you got off-white right here in the heel area. So, and this shoe have a widow's peak too. Have a widow's peak right here and right here. So it's gonna be tough, man. I hope my son keep these clean, man, cause yeah, these hot. These are hot. So I really wanted them because I only had one pair of Jordan 3s, and that's the Racer Blue. But I really wanted them. But I hope I hit on those Jordan 3 Wizards. I think the Jordan 3 Wizards coming out, and I really want those. But I wanted these, man, but I ain't hit on them. Somebody in my family got them, and that's my son, man. Just look at the bottom. You got your gray bottom, gray, red, and off-white. Yeah, these hot, and I'm gonna be honest with you. Your boy hit on those Jordan 5 UNC last week, and I'm gonna keep it 100. These way hotter than those, man. These are hot. These are hot. Man, I wish I would've hit on them on my size, man. Your boy went on StockX, and I see they got these J's going for $305, size 10.5. I paid $210 for them. So that let me know if people really wanted this shoe. $305, the shoe just dropped. Man, I wonder if it's gonna get up to $350, maybe $4. I don't know, man, but I told my son, man, take care of these, man, cause you know that white get dirty fast. If you don't take care of your shoes, especially if they're white. And I think the boy been doing good taking care of his shoes, man, but yeah, StockX, man, the resale on these are crazy, man, and for me to have them here on the table, I can't believe it, man, because your boy, you know, barely hit on Jay. I wish I had a plug. So what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them? Or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.